All right, algebra, let's get the rest of the story about polynomials and adding them. So if I'm classifying this polynomial, I've got 3x squared plus 7x squared plus x plus 1. How many terms are there? There's 4. There's 4 things being added together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right. So that is considered a polynomial. Now, what if, and you could just write poly. I didn't spell nomial right. Nomial. There we go. Now, this graph, what's this graph going to look like? I don't know. Like, here's some like terms. Can we combine those? We sure can. We just learned that we could. So that's going to give us 10x squared plus x plus 1. So what kind of polynomial is this specifically? It is a trinomial. So what's that graph going to look like? After I combine my like terms, it's going to be a u. Okay? Now I got this 10x squared because I was able to combine these like terms. All right, let's look at number 2 and 3 in our notes and go from there. So in number 2, again, we're going to combine those like terms. And when I do that, it doesn't change the exponent. It just changes the coefficients. So I've got 2x squared. To that, I'm adding a negative x squared. So I've got 2 in this pile, negative 1 in that pile. That's going to give me 1x squared, right? Then let's look at my x term. I've got a plus x here. I've got a minus 4x here. So x plus negative 4x is going to give me negative 3x. Just the coefficient changes, not the variable. The reason I can combine them is because of the like term. Here I've got negative 3, and to it I'm adding plus 2, so I'm going to have negative 1. Okay? Again, put this in your notes. Only change the coefficient. Coefficient is the number in front. Exponents do not change. Super important. Super, 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 super important. Okay? Exponents do not change. All right. What can I combine here? Well, I don't have any x squared terms. My first term is an x term. So here I have a 4x. Do I have any x terms over here? Not right away, I don't, but I do right here. What kind of x term is that? It's a negative 2x. So 4x plus negative 2x is going to give me 2x. All right. What about positive 3xy plus positive 7xy? How many xy's am I going to have? I'm going to have plus 10xy. All right. What about my constants? I've got a plus 2 here and a minus 4 here. I'm adding those together. I'm going to get minus 2. And that's it. That's the rest of the story. So, do your worksheet. God bless.